Hello, I'm Haynes. Ever since my father launched our business some 57 years ago, Haynes has been creating the world's best car repair manuals. Every car we cover in our manuals is stripped down by qualified mechanics and reassembled with precision and care in our workshops in England, California and Australia. As you can probably guess, we are all passionate about cars here, and equally we believe in the ethos of doing it yourself. That immense feeling of satisfaction from completing a job yourself and saving money in the process. So what do you get when you choose Haynes? A Haynes online manual is our most complete product and includes many extra features by comparison with a printed manual. All of the pictures are in full colour and we've added how-to video guides. We'll show you how to change brake pads, drain and replace your engine's coolant, replace headlights and much more. And just like our manuals, is based on your car. The online manual works on your smartphone, tablet or desktop computer, so is available wherever you are. It is much simpler to use than a digital PDF-based book, with easy-to-use navigation tools that take you straight to your job. If you prefer to work off paper in the workshop, you can print as many sections of the manual as you like. And whenever we update the online manual to include the latest information, you'll receive that free of charge. Our classic print manuals are timeless, thorough and required reading for any DIY mechanic. All of their authoritative information is replicated in our online editions, but we know there is something reassuring about having that book on the shelf in your garage, ready and waiting to help when you need it.